Hello and welcome to SAP Learning Academy and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be telling you about the SAP ABAP arithmetic operation. Like I will be talking about and showing you an example like those mathematical arithmetic operations that we do like addition, subtraction, multiplication or division and same thing, and I will be telling you with the ABAP keyword how can you actually do it. So I will be actually typing in this slide and will be showing to you. Like if I talk about the addition, the supported types, so that is the addition, and we have the subtraction, and we have if I talk about multiplication, and also we have division. So these are the main four arithmetic operations that we do in the mathematical operation as well as in ABAP cases. Like how can you do it? By suppose if you're talking about this arithmetic operations, suppose how we write, like if you define a like type A and B plus C, suppose, and this is how actually we can write. And how can you do in ABAP keyword? Simply you need to write add, then suppose B to C, and if you write this statement and if you assign this value to something else like A, and the same thing can be done, yeah, as I showed you, same thing can be done by using this plus symbol, and also you can do by this add keyword in ABAP. Similar to if I talk about the subtraction, and similar to that if you can use this minus operator, but if you want to use this ABAP keyword, and you can write like subtract, and just let me write in caps here, subtract and whatever value you want to write n from m. Suppose if I talk about this, means you are subtracting n from m, so it is simply like m minus n. Okay, now if I talk about the multiplication, so is in the case of arithmetic operation, and also in ABAP it is supported that you can use this star in order to multiply the data, but you have a keyword in ABAP like multiply. So using this keyword actually you can multiply by, you have to write A by B, so by that actually you can multiply. Similar if I talk about the division, so in case of mathematics you use this symbol, but here in this case you can write the keyword divide and suppose A by B, so using that also you can write it. And in ABAP there are few more operators are supported, like if you want to take this dividend you can use div. If I use this mod it will show you the remainder of the data, and like that. And I will show you one more example in this case, just let me delete these few lines. Yeah, here I will be giving you one more example how can you use this addition in different ways in ABAP. So for this example is only for addition. Like suppose you have defined a counter data type, like this is integer, and you can use compute counter equal to counter plus 1. So using this actually it also shows you that you are doing an addition, and same type of addition you can do like this. I can show you another example like counter equal to counter plus 1. So that also means if you use the keyword compute or if you don't use compute, so it doesn't matter, so it will do this addition. And one more example I can see you, that is the last example, like add 1 to counter. So just like I show you in this first example, like you can add any value to any data type. So then this data type counter is actually my integer type. That's why this addition is possible. So that's all about this tutorial. So we tried to explain you about the supported data types, like supported the arithmetic operation using this keyword. Actually you can write in the above. So thank you for watching this tutorial, and if you have not subscribed my channel, yes, please do so, and also watch my other tutorial. I have given the links in the below description. Thank you for watching.